Guys, it's Tina with Uncut and Raw FX. Welcome back to the channel. So I just want to pop in and touch on NAS100. So I just wanted to introduce you all to some smart money concepts and just give some market insight for what's to come for NAS. We're going to touch on like liquidity as well as fair value gaps and potential setups for the week. You'll see. Well, actually, you might have to wait for Sunday's candle to form for that. But here we have NAS100 on the day. You can see the time frame here, and we're on the daily chart. And I did I'm creating videos for the course as well. So I did talk about this fair value gap here, and we had this push up after we were bearish February through March. And then, so we rejected there. And the next inefficiency I see that could be a draw for price is here. And this is called a volume imbalance. You see the bodies don't connect. You see these candles, the bodies touch. They all touch. Here, you have this where they don't. So that's considered a volume imbalance, and that could be a possible draw for price. Of course, depending on what the market does give us. So we're going to drop down and look at the 4-hour. Okay, so we're here on the 4-hour. We have the market ranging here, which means it's not trending. It was trending. As you can see here, the market was on a downtrend, and now we're kind of like stuck in the same spot. So that's considered ranging. We do have a fair value gap right here that we are in. Let's see if I can show you all. I feel like all my drawings are going to pop up. Let's see. Yep. Okay. Let's see. So here we have a fair value gap, and this is on the 4-hour, and here's where we are. So we're right here at this fair value gap at the moment. So we got to see what price wants to do. Does it want to push up in it? We shall see. So let's remove that. Let's remove these drawings. So if we see a break of structure, we could see that volume imbalance visited, as I mentioned. Let's drop down to the 1-hour. All right, so in previous video, I did mention this here. So this is considered sell-side liquidity. You see there are 2 equal lows. They have this labeled already. Let me check actually. All right, yeah. So we have sell-side liquidity sitting here. Also have a break here to the upside. Oops. Where we also have some buy-side liquidity as well. So here we have price creating higher lows. So we'll see where the market opens on Sunday and what it wants to give us. Let's go to the 1 minute. Oh, I have a tool, so let's delete that, hide that, and we're back on the 1 minute. Okay, so here we're consolidating. The market went up Friday. Nice run on Friday. All right, so what I'm looking at, I like the volume imbalance that I do see on the daily chart. So if we hold this bullish structure, I expect to move up. Let's see where we at. And we could move up in this area. But if we fail to hold that, then we could revisit that sell side liquidity that I mentioned as well. So I just wanted to do a brief overview of that. And let's see what Sunday brings.